Hello everyone and welcome to our new video about organic vegetable growing. If you want your tomatoes and peppers to grow faster, stronger and more resistant, stay with me until the end. Because at the end I share a recipe that few people use, and the plants literally love it. Dear gardeners, I'm glad you are with us. Today we are not talking about expensive fertilizers, chemistry and miracles from the internet, but about what really works in practice. If you have ever had a situation where your tomatoes are standing still, the leaves are fading, the peppers are thin as a thread, this is the video for you. If you are wondering how to speed up the growth of tomatoes and peppers, first, remember one thing: a strong plant means a strong root. If you feed only the leaves and neglect the soil, there is no result. The most important advice that you must know and give to your plants is loose, moist soil, regular, but moderate watering and natural food, not chemicals. Write to me in the comments. Are tomatoes or peppers a bigger problem for you? And now let's go to a little trick that makes a big difference. Don't just water the plants. Plants need life in the soil, microorganisms that help the roots draw nutrients. This is where we get to what many don't do, the secret recipe with DIY yeast. You need 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 liter of lukewarm water. Mix everything and leave for 2 hours to activate. Then, dilute this mixture in 10 liters of water. Only water the roots, not the leaves. Use every 10 to 14 days. If you feed your plants with this, be sure that you have ensured that you have provided them with faster growth, stronger stems, dark green leaves, more flowers and more fruits. Write us in the comments. Have you ever used yeast in your garden? Yes or no? If you found this tip useful, like, share with a friend, follow the channel, because here we only share what really works. See you in the next video. May your garden bear fruit like never before.